Hello everyone, in this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to connect Instagram to Facebook page. So let's dive right in. To begin, open the Instagram app on your mobile and make sure you're logged in with your account. Then tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner to navigate to your profile page. Look for the Edit Profile button below your bio and tap it to open your profile settings. Scroll down to the Public Business Information or Profile Information section of your settings. Here, you'll find an option labeled Page. Tap Connect or Create next to Page to initiate the connection process. Instagram will display a list of Facebook pages that you manage. If you have multiple pages, carefully select the one you want to link your Instagram account to. Confirm and log in. Briefly review the permissions that Instagram will request to access your Facebook page. Once you're comfortable, tap Continue to proceed. You might need to log in to your Facebook account to finalize the connection. And there you have it. With this method, you can connect your Instagram to your Facebook page. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.